start the next point, that is the sample space. The set of all possible outcome of a random experiment is called the sample space. It is denoted by S or omega. This sign we called as a omega. Each element of a sample space is called a sample point. Number of elements in the set S is denoted by number of S. If number of S is finite, then the sample space is said to be a finite sample space. So, see some example of finite sample space. Now, in this chart, here is the serial number, this is the random experiment, this is the sample space, and last one is the number of sample point in S. See the first example. One coin is tossed. So, when we toss a one coin, then we form a head or tail. So, we write here S equal to in curly bracket H or T. So, how many here are numbers? 2. So, we write here number of S equal to 2. When two coins are tossed, we form 4 here sample space. S is equal to HH, HT, TH or TT. So, how many? 4. So, we write here number of S 4. Third one, 3 coins are tossed. When we toss 3 coins, that time we form these possibilities. How many possibilities? 8 possibilities. HHH, HHT, HTH, THH, HTT, THT, TTH, TTT. So, number of S equal to 8. When a die is thrown, how many? There are the 6 possibilities. So, we write here S equal to 1 to 6 and number of S equal to 6. Now, next one, 2 die are thrown. When we throw a 2 die, we form this all possibilities. These are the 36 possibilities. So, in this, when 2 die are thrown, we write this type of all brackets. So, we write first 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 6 times. And then we write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Same as second. Now third one, see the third. We write here 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. And then we write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Same 4, 5. See the sixth one. 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6 times. And then we write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the easy way to write this type of all brackets. So remember this carefully. So number of S equal to 36. Now next one, 6. A card is drawn from a pack bearing number from 1 to 25. So how many numbers in a card? That is a 25. So we write here S equal to 1 to 25. So number of S equal to 25. Now next one. See the 7th point. A card is drawn from a well shuffled pack of 52 playing cards. In a 52 playing cards there are 4 types. Diamond, spade, heart and club. In a diamond there is a S, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, jack, queen and king. Same spade, heart and club. Friends, we will start practice set 5.2. See the first question. Question is for each of the following experiment, write the sample space S and the number of sample point and S. So what is the first question? One coin and one die are thrown simultaneously. Simultaneously means at a time. So what is the sample space for coin? So we write here for coin, sample space. So S is equal to, write in a curly bracket, for a coin, sample space is a head or tail. So we write a H and T. So this is for coin. Now for die. So why we write here? For die, sample space S is equal to. So we already know in a die, what is the shape die? Cube die, means cubical shape. So how many sides? 6 sides. So sample space of for die, that is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 6. These are the sample space for die. Now what is the one coin and one die are thrown simultaneously. So we write here when one die and one coin thrown simultaneously. Therefore, sample space. So what is the sample space? So here H is a coin and die become 1. So H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6 means head and one number of coin. And then we write the tail T1, T2, T3, T4, T5 and T6. So these are the sample space when one die and one coin thrown simultaneously. So what is how many the sample points? Here these 6 and again these 6. So sample point become a 12. This is a first question. Now see the second one. The two digit numbers form using digits 2, 3, 5. So in this question, there is the how many numbers given? 2, 3, 5. So we write the sample space. So here the S is equal to, so here 2, 3, 2, 5. So we write here 2, 3, 2, 5. Then 3, 2, 3, 5. So we write here 3, 2, 3, 5. And again 5, 2, 3, 5, 3. So 5, 2, 5, 3. So how many numbers here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So number of sample point is 6. So this is the second question. Now see the main second question. Here the diagram given. The arrow is rotated and it stops randomly on the disc. For find out on which color it may stop. See here the disc. Here the numbers arrow. This is the arrow, and here the write the color. How many colors? There is the 6 colors. Now in this example, there are 6 colors on the disc. How many colors? 6 colors. So the arrow can stop any of the color. So we write the in sample space all these 6 colors. Therefore, S is equal to write the all color. So we write here first red, orange, yellow, blue, green, purple, and therefore number of sample space is equal to 6. So this is our second question. We see the next question number 3. In the month of March 2019, find the days on which the date is a multiple of 5. See, this is the month of March table. Here Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. And here 1 to 31 numbers means the dates. So first we find out that is for which date the multiples of 5. So here see the table of 5. So here 5, then here 10, then 15, then 20, then 25 and last one 30. So how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So then we write the sample space. Therefore S is equal to first which date? 5 is a date is a Tuesday. So we write here Tuesday. Then 10, which is the day that is the 10. So that become a Sunday. So we write here Sunday. Then 15, which day? That is a Friday. So we write here Friday. Then next 20, that is the Wednesday. So we write here Wednesday. Then next one, that is 25, Monday. And last 30, that is the Saturday. So we write here Saturday. So all these 6 days are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So number of sample space or sample point is 6. So this is the question number 3rd. Now we see the next question, that is the 4th one. Form a road safety committee of 2 from 2 boys, that is B1, B2, and 2 girls, G1, G2. Complete the following activity to write the sample space. This is the activity based question. So we write first the committee of 2 boys. So what is the committee of 2 boys? That is the B1 and B2. So we write here B1, B2. This is the committee of boys. We write here curly bracket. Now committee of 2 girls, that is the G1, G2. So we write here curly bracket G1, G2. Then third one, committee of 1 boy and 1 girl. So here we write B1, B2 boys and G1, G2 girls. So B1 combined with G1 and G2 also. So we write here B1, G1. Then B1, G2. Okay. Then B2 combine G1 also and G2 also. So we write here B2, G1 and B2, G2. So these are the 4 committee of 1 boy and 1 girl. Now we find out the sample space. So what is the combine these all outcomes and then we find the sample space. So first there is the B1, B2 means only boys. Then we find the girls, only girls, G2. Then committee of 1 boy and 1 girl, that is B1, G1. Then B1, G2. Then B2, G1 and B2, G2. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the sample space of this road safety committee. So this is our 4th.